Not sure how to tweak your keybinds and mouse settings in Fortnite on your PC? No worries. In this quick video, I'll guide you through the process of changing keyboard and mouse keybinds. Let's get started. First, fire up Fortnite. Then click on your profile icon. Next, click on the settings icon from here. After that, click on settings from this menu. Now switch to the mouse and keyboard tab. From here, you can change the mouse sensitivity. You can also enable custom diagonals if you wish. After changing these settings, switch to the keyboard controls tab. Don't be fooled by the name. You can customize keybinds for both your keyboard and mouse from this section. Now to change a keybind, click on the button you want to change and then press the button you want to assign it to. If you scroll down to the combat section, you can find the mouse keybinds. You can change these just like the keyboard's keybinds. Once you've made all the changes you want, just click on apply to save them. But if you're not happy with the changes you made, just click restore to default, then hit accept, and your settings will be back to how they were originally. So that's how you change the control in Fortnite on PC. If the video did the trick for you, smash that like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in a comment below and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching.